How to fix OneDrive error 0x80070430 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check internet connection. A bad network can prevent OneDrive from syncing, and verifying connectivity ensures the error isn't a simple signal issue. If that didn't work, fix 2. Update OneDrive manually. An outdated app version might lack fixes for sync bugs, so updating ensures compatibility with Windows 11. If the latest version listed there matches with the one on your app, you are up to date. If the version does not match, simply click on Download OneDrive for Windows, follow the installation instructions and it will install the latest version on your device. Resetting wipes OneDrive's local settings and cache, offering a fresh start to fix corrupted data issues. Fix 4. Allow through firewall. Firewall rules might block OneDrive's server access. You can allow OneDrive through as follows. Ensure OneDrive is allowed for private and public networks. Click OK after enabling it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.